So I'm going to have a go at trying to do a piece to camera while driving using this Rylo 360, and I'm going to attach it very simply just to the dashboard with this clip, and hopefully it'll give a much simplified way of doing a piece to camera that's safe and doesn't involve a cameraman. We can edit it in the phone app afterwards. So could this be the new way of doing pieces to camera? You can drive along and keep both hands on the wheel, not worry about the filming process itself, because the camera itself is giving you a point of view shot, a view out of the side window, as long as your hand on the gear stick as well. This really could be the new way of doing pieces to camera without compromising safety. So we've tried out this camera, the Rylo 360, in a number of different applications, and we think it's really great, but we want to know what you think. So if you can think of any use for it, please come down to the Innovation Lounge and try it out for yourself.